Hey, welcome back, guys, to part two of our Arkansas adventure. We were lucky enough to meet with some really cool people in the campground, and we're excited to show them around for the next couple of days because they'd never been up in this area before.
Cool how it's like pointed, how they're also like
Let me see it. Water is so clear.
I know. It's amazing. Oh. Okay, you're in the danger
So
zone.
clear.
Let's get to the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Hey, you're in the danger zone. Could you move, please? Thank you.
Aww.
Drove it straight in there. I'm not used to skipping rocks and waders. I'm used to walking in water with waders.
Yeah.
Yeah. They should be waterers.
Crazy.
I think that's kind of neat.
Don't go too. You got your sock wet yesterday.
In his waders?
Yes. I think there's like a little hole. Look how clear that is. God, I cannot get over it.
Agree to disagree, Mom.
What?
It's clear. I found a good one. And it's cold.
Ooh, that is a good one.
Yes,
Oh my God, that is great. That's a
That
good
is-
one.
And it's cold. Oh, dang.
I like it. Good find.
I don't want it now.
Go put it in the back of the Polaris. Ooh, Daddy did a good one. Well, yeah, this one's probably not as clear big because it's a rapid, like it's going. The other ones were just kind of a wonky. So we're going to talk about what has happened and why we're not riding with our friends anymore. Because our Polaris is overheating, and I think it's because Dad forgot to... Oh, where are you? Forgot to plug it in last night. And so when it gets into low, it starts overheating. And so we sent our friends on their way. This is their last day to be here. And that way they can keep riding the trails. And we're just going to take it easy. And then we're going to go plug in the Polaris. And hopefully that fixes it.
Mom, look at the rocks that I found.
I love them. Ooh, those are good ones.
Yeah.
So, we'll see. Day 3. Sour? What'd you say?
It's not an ideal situation, but we'll make it work.
There you go. So tell us your explanation of what happened.
I don't know. I think it's a battery
overheated.
issue. We'll see. It's only overheating in low gear, which most of the trails out here you can be in high the whole time because it's ranch roads. But
Yeah.
the Fourche Mountain that we wanted to go do, you need low gear. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe we can't do that this trip. We'll go back, figure it out, fix
definitely.
Driving Miss Daisy. We'll take
it.
the...
Nature of the beast. Go out here riding
Yeah.
things. Something's bound to break
Whoa.
every time.
This is smooth.
Ooh, let me see.
This is smooth. This smells like baby's butt.
Your lips are blue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we stopped at the general store on our way out of the trails. And the kids got a treat.
Yep.
And now we're going to skip some rocks and hang out. Do some lunch.
I mean, there
Not
is
a bad
abandoned
spot.
house there.
To hang out and do lunch at.
It is, and next time that we come in the summer, we're going up there.
To the house?
To the house.
Can you see the house in the background? It's abandoned. Haunted or abandoned? Both.
Abandoned. It's not haunted, and if it is, we know who to call. Ghostbusters.
Oh, we got 5!
I think I got more than 5.
Oh my gosh, that was a good one, dude.
Yeah. I'm gonna find them like about like this thick.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Is that the
up down.
technique?
Yeah.
All right.
Kind of, but
Kind of.
kind of. I wonder how this tree fell.
I don't know.
I don't know where it came from either.
What'd you get?
3.
Oh. Lame. This is one for the books. There she is with like 1 bar of service. So.
She's talking on her phone?
Yes.
Oh, she's correct.
She's on the phone with her. She kept on putting her leg up.
Well, can you overdo it by?
No, overcharge it?
Yeah.
No, those charge controllers, they sense. So when it's fully charged, it shuts off. And it just
I'm gonna sit back here.
But leaving it charged all the time like you do, that doesn't.
It's not gonna.
Stop moving.
It's not gonna overcharge it. It does make the battery
Go to that
wear out
stove.
faster.
Right.
But
Like less reliable, right?
this is what it is. We've had things for
I will
years.
shove you.
So, do you think how Patrick said we could go to the AutoZone and get a new battery, or you think let's just charge it
I think
for,
it'll be fine. Yeah,
be
just
fine
charge it.
for 1 more day, and then when we get home, we'll just get a new battery?
Yeah.
Get home.
So are we still gonna be able to ride?
Yeah, we'll leave here and we'll go back up to camp, and we'll plug it in, and it needs to be plugged in for a couple hours.
Yeah. So you can probably go ride the Super or something.
She's like pushing against my back.
Sibling love right there.
No, it's not. Ow! Yeah. I will shove you in the murder, Kyle. I'm gonna start T-Rex and elbowing people because I don't mind doing.
Oh, Peyton's getting a phone call. Oh, Peyton's getting a phone call.
Caught
What did Ethan
4K.
do now?
She's been caught 4K.
What did Ethan do now?
Hello, hello.
Oh, crackers everywhere.
Oh, cracker's down. She's gonna take it. It's an important phone call.
Porter, leave her alone.
Please be quiet.
She needs privacy.
Be quiet.
Ethan!
Ethan!
What did you do? Don't love Bailey. Love me.
Be quiet.
Bailey's not right for you, Ethan. Oh man, that never gets old.
It never does.
Best part of having children right there.
Yeah.
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 I'm having
Wait till
cinnamon.
you get a little girlfriend or something.
What?
Drama.
Probably.
Ooh, that's a good stupid off right there.
Oh yeah.
Championship material.
Yeah. And save it.
Oh, it got pretty cold actually, huh?
Yeah, it's just dropped up.
Yeah.
Wait, Mom.
I'm not
It looks like
I'm
the
not
rock-
mad about having to go back and get another jacket.
It looks like the rock.
Ah, my evil plan has worked.
Yeah, they're like,
This looks like the rock that he
Let me see.
dropped.
Look at that one.
This rock. We need the floats to go over there. Look, we can.
I know,
just
Daddy
walk
just
across
said that.
there.
We'll have to look it up and see
yeah.
where you can put in at and get out
Yeah,
if
'cause it
you
would
could.
be cool if you had 2 side-by-sides in 2 groups. You could take
Somebody
somebody
can
side-by-side
put you
up
in.
somewhere, drop off,
Right.
take to where we're going to put out, drop one side-by-side off and drop back and go to
That'd be
that.
good.
And like we can go up to the house, like
The haunted house. You want to go to this? He wants to go to this little haunted house up here. It's probably not haunted. There's probably really nice people that own that house.
I haven't seen anyone.
Because we've been here once every year,
Yeah.
twice every year.
Yeah. I mean, we can literally just walk across the bridge and find, like, I don't know, create a path up there.
There's a driveway.
There is?
Yes, we passed it. Let me see it, buddy.
It's a heart rock. And it's all red.
Oh my gosh. Yep, I love it.
We're keeping it.
Yep, that's a keeper
That's the keeper.
for sure. Good find, dude.
Yeah.
I like the lines on it too, huh?
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Yep. That is for sure the best heart rock I think you found this whole trip.
And a stick.
I know. What'd you say? What do you think it is?
Bamboo.
You think it's bamboo?
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's bamboo.
I don't know where it's from.
I know where it's from.
You do?
Yeah, there's a bamboo farm in one of these houses.
Stop it.
No, I'm not lying. It's bamboo. It might be sugarcane.
Okay. Oh my gosh. So we solved the mystery, Porter. Tell them where the bamboo is.
It's all down the riverbank.
All behind me. Yep, that's all bamboo.
It's sugar cane, not bamboo.
So, not a bamboo farm. It's just growing right there. So you were right. It is bamboo.
I see you. I see you over there, miss. Oh, let me tilt the camera this way.
Now you're camping in the wilderness.
Miss, I see you. I'll just come over here. All we see is the top of our heads. But
Well,
yes.
I'm learning, ma'am.
You're paying the sassy.
It's pretty awesome.
I will break that bamboo stick.
I was wondering why you went doing it where you're riding. Holding out the window.
It was pretty wobbly when we were. Wobbly. You caught that, huh?
Catch it on something.
Yeah.
Blow your phone out of there.
I will break it.
Well, I
in
hit a
half
limb
and throw it in the
yesterday.
ocean. Or
Huh?
creek
All
or
right.
lake, whatever.
Porter, what do you call it? New move unlocked.
No,
New level.
Called,
New level.
No, it's called this. The more you know.
The more you know.
Well, you know, that's what it's called. That was new level unlocked.
I gotta tell you though, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
The fresh air is so invigorating. Going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me and the countryside. On this country road, my spirit feels so alive. Passing by a weathered barn, horses grazing near a farmhouse, rows of corn and wheat sway in the breeze. The farmer's tractor works the farmland, going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me and the countryside. This country road, leave the city way behind. No more hurry, no more grind. Out here I can breathe, I can think. The peace and beauty, they're just what I need. Going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just.
What about you, Papa Giorgio?
I don't know, I'm tired. The trip was good with that.
Yeah, for sure we all are.
For sure we all are.
Yeah.
Means it was a good one.
I need like coconut oil on my face. It's so dry. What do you call that?
Windburn.
Windburn? Oh my gosh. Got down to 22 degrees last night. The water in the camper.
No, just the hose.
The hose. So, it was a quick pack up this morning because it was cold. But now we're like, what? 2 hours. 2 hours until home. Good trip. Happy New Year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on our next adventures.